going to show you how to make a planet in a bowl.
Okay, so first you're going to need some water.
You're going to need a little bit of snow,
Some rocks.
an oven mitt,
Some soil.
paper.
And a cup.
You're also going to need a whisk, a full tablespoon, and a half tablespoon.
And you're also going to need some
Paper
flour.
and a spatula. So first, you put water. It doesn't matter if it's already touched for the ocean. So,
And lakes.
So, yeah.
And it will be fresh water and salt water.
so this is 2 cups. So we're only going to put 1 cup in. So that's only half. So that's going to be like the little ocean with the little fishies and the eels and the sharks and the whales.
And then put some rocks in for the mountains, but save some for later for the top layer.
So we have about 30 to 50 rocks here. We're only going to put like maybe 20. So, and then you take a paper towel
Well stirring.
and you rip it. Now one person should be stirring, or you can stir at the same time. Now you want it to be a little bit damp before you put it in, just so it has some soaking, so it doesn't soak in with the
And make
ocean.
sure to put them in thicker pieces so they can be tree trunks.
So like, I folded it and rolled it up. And this is basically
Tree
for,
trunks.
if it works, tree trunks.
Roots.
Yeah. Then you put some snow and you take a cup. This is for snow, so animals can eat it.
And mountains for
And
the
mountains.
tops of the mountains.
Well, unless it's summer.
Unless
Or if it's really cold, it can.
Okay.
So you do that, and you just want it really like compacted.
And then you grab your spatula and you
This
mush
is
it
for
up.
the snow and the clouds, because clouds are made out of evaporated water, which is a gas.
And it will also be the rain too, as well as the water.
So Santa Claus can come. Okay.
And then you
And
add
you
the
put some
soil.
soil in.
Actually, you put the rocks in as well at the same time as the soil so they can blend.
Ready? You want the soil to have a little bit of nutrients, and then you want to stir it with a flat object. So I'd say the spatula. So the soil is for, of course, soil. Now while she's stirring, you just want to scratch a little bit of snow in with the side of some sort of plastic thing. So you just want it a little bit, and you want to clean any hard parts off. So just while she's storing, just to make it so that penguins and polar bears and stuff like that will have. Later on, we're going to add Antarctica in them and the
This
south.
is going to be Antarctica. You just have to add extreme heat to it. And
And
then
yeah, then we'll do the top layer. So it'll be sort of like that, except we're going to call it something else, not Antarctica. And then
so now you add the top layer.
in super thin, like if you have paper towel, only 1. So you do that, only about like 10 or 11 reps.
That should be good.
Then you shake it a little bit, like don't stir it, but shake it. Just so the water or the ocean touches
And
everything.
this is what it would look like. Right.
Yeah.
Now it has some rocks in it.
Paper.
Some paper.
Try not to touch it that
Some
much.
water. And some
Some snow. So then you put it in the oven.
Oh, and the heat is for like cars and transportation systems.
So the longer you put it in the oven, the more global warming will happen. So we take it out in a bit. So we have that. Then we take the rest of the rocks, doesn't matter how many more you have. Do that. And just put them in there slowly.
Then you're going to want to stir again. make sure to mix really well because that's going to be your final planet.
Yeah. Now put
You
it back in the oven.
sun for just a little bit longer.
Preheat it to about 1070, and if your planet doesn't go, or if your oven doesn't go that far, go to about 350 and just put it in for a couple days. Okay. That is really hot. Okay.
Here's some snow.
So this is what your planet should look like. It's hot.
Very hot. You should use an oven mitt.
So don't be stupid like I was and burn yourself. Now put it back in the oven for only about 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah.
All right. We are taking it out of the oven and we'll have the planet soon. Well, actually, I will show you guys. All right. So make sure you have your oven mitt because it's really hot because now our planet should be finished. And remember, don't put it too hot because then there'll be more carbon dioxide on the planet.
That's not good.
For the cars.
My hand hurts.
All right.
Oh no, we burnt it. It's not good.
Well, I guess you can add some sand to it.
I guess.
Starting in 5, 4, 3,
You have to go on super slowly.
1,
There we go.
go. Welcome to the Cooking with Alan Show.
Just flatten it a little bit.
What are we making today, Alan? We're going to make a planet. A planet?
And make sure to make some peaks with
Whoa! Nice,
Just so you
Alan.
get
Yeah.
peaks.
So the
Also, you want to flatten it a little bit
add 3
so it won't fall off into
cups
its
of
rotation.
water into the blue bowl. Okay, I've got 1.
And then make sure you use all of your sand.